So this video is on problem number 3 and number 5 from the Pascal's triangle and binomial theorem worksheet number 2. So let's see, on number 3, they are asking us to find the term containing a to the fourth, b to the third. So that is going to be where I have 7. I need to get a little thinner. Where I have 7 because of the 7 here. Okay. So this is going to be 7 shoes. And it's going to be 4 because of that a to the fourth. Okay. So that would have been a to the fourth. My pen's not working. A to the fourth. And then b would be to the power 3. So again, the 7 here comes from this being raised to the power 7. Since my a is to the fourth, this is also to the fourth. And so then I'm going to put that into my calculator, or I can look at our Pascal's triangle, one or the other. So let me just put it into the calculator, and I'm just going to put it actually into Desmos. So let me just get Desmos here. Whoops. Okay, so I'm just using the scientific Desmos here. Okay, so let me just clear this. So I am going to go to function and get n choose r, and I'm going to put in 7 comma 4, which is 35. Okay, so this is going to be 35 a to the fourth, b to the third. That is the term. Now on number 5, this is going to be dealing with the binomial probability we are dealing with the other day. So the probability of a weighted dice landing 4 on 4 is 0.35. If the dice is flipped 5 times, or rolled, we should say 5 times, what is the probability that it lands on 4 exactly 3 times? It lands on 4 at least 3 times. Okay, so P is going to be 0.35, which is the probability of getting a 4. Q is going to be 0.65, which is going to be the probability of not getting a 4. Now we are doing this 5 times, and we want to get 4, okay, the number 4, okay, exactly 3 times. So exactly 3 times. That's going to be 5 trials, and we want 3 of them to be 4. The probability of a 4 is 0.35, and I'm going to raise that to the power 3 because I want 3 times that I get a 4, which means that 0.64, which is a chance of, 65, which is a chance of not getting a 4, is going to be to the power 2. These two numbers here, this 3 and this 2, have to add to the 5 times that I'm doing this, which is going to add to this front number. Always, always, always. And to be honest, 5 choose 3 and 5 choose 2 are the same, but I always have, if that's a 3, I put the 3, if I want it to be 3 times for a success, I put a 3 here. Okay. So then I'm going to put this into my calculator. And again, I'm going to use Desmos. So let me just get my Desmos up. Okay, so we're going to do 5. Sorry, let me get rid of that. Forgot this one. I have to do this first. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 choose 3 times 0.35 to the third times 0.65 squared. And that ends up being 0.18, let's say 11. 0.181, and let me just get that up one more time. One because of the 4, so 1. Now on the next one it says, what is the probability that it lands on 4 at least? Okay, at least 3 times. Now remember, we're doing this 5 times, so that means 3 of 5 times, 4 of 5 times. Sorry, my pen. Of 5 times. 5 of 5 times. Now, sometimes it's easier to do what I don't want, which would be the rest of this. Now, the rest of it would have been 2 of 5, 1 of 5, and 0 of 5. You see that in both cases, it's 3 different things I compute. So I'm going to compute the one I want. I'm going to compute that. So I'm going to do 5, choose 3 times 0.35 to the power 3 times 0.65 to the power 2 plus, I'm just going to move this. I just move this. Okay. Plus 5 choose 4, 5 choose 4. And that's going to be 0.35 to the power 4 to the power 4 and 0.65 to the power 1. And then I'm going to go plus 5 choose 5 times 0.35 to the power 5 and 0.65 to the power 0. And I'll put that into my calculator. So I've already have the first part in. Okay. So I'm going to go plus, and I'm going to do n choose r, 5 choose 4. Let's see. Let's see if I can see this. Okay, 5 choose 4. Times 0.35 raised to the power. I didn't mean to clear it all. Okay, so let me start again. And I'm going to make this a little longer. Okay, so let me start again. So I am going to do n, let me just clear all of this, clear all. Okay, start fresh. So I'm going to do n choose r. I'm going to have 5 comma 3. So that's 5 choose 3 times. Okay, I'm doing this part right here. Let me just it's this part right here. So that's going to be 0.35 raised to the power 3 times 0.65 raised to the power 2 plus, now I'm going to do the next part, 5 choose 4. So let me get 5 choose 4. So 5 choose 4 times 0.35 0.35 raised to the power 4 times 0.65 raised to the power 1, which is just 0.65 plus, now I'm going to do the 5 choose 5. So 5 choose 5. 5 choose 5 times 0.35 to the power 5. And I don't need to do the 0.65 to the power 0 because that's just going to be a 1. And honestly, 5 choose 5 is also just a 1. But I see the answer right here. So I get let me just copy this. I get 0.235169. So let me just write this down here. Like that. It's going to be 0.235, let's say 2 because of the 6 that was coming next. And that's your answer. So hopefully that helps you out.